SPB International student, welcome to our virtual educational creative tutorial rooms, or we call it VECTOR. This is our virtual learning classroom that provide you with encouraging learning experience and accessible that you can access anytime, anywhere. In few minutes onward, we will discuss about how we clean and prepare the room for incoming guests. This unit will be deal with the competency that required for the room attendant when they do clean and prepare the room for incoming guests. Also, this unit will be consist of some element and also performance criteria. Special in this video, we will talk about how we clean the bathroom. This element will have 5 performance criteria. The first one, how we clean the bathtub and the shower. The second is about how we clean the toilet. Next one is about how we clean the vanity area. Number 4, how we clean the floors. And the last one, number 5, is about how we replenish the gas supplies in the bathroom. Alright, student SPB International, I believe you are wondering how we clean the bathroom area. But don't worry, I have my partner here that show you how to clean the bathroom. Before we start, we need to prepare what equipment and also the chemical that we need to clean the bathroom area.
The following steps should be taken to prepare a bathroom for cleaning. Check all the bathroom equipment for any damage, fault or defect. All damage, fault and defects should be reported to the supervisor or the maintenance department. Place the carry caddy nearby and not block the access. Always wear the protective glove when cleaning the bathroom. Collect all the dirty towel and place it in the soil laundry bag. Collect all used the bathroom supplies such as shampoo, conditioner, and the soap. Don't forget, collect the bathroom trash. Clean the shower area. The shower can be effectively cleaned as follows. Wet the shower area such as the wall, shower bar, and the handle, including the tap. Scrub the wall and the shower tap or bar using the sponge that has been wet by the solution or the chemical. Next, rinse the shower area and dry it using the cloth. Also, clean the shower door using the glass cleaning technique, as you can see on the video. Brush the shower floor while check the drain. Clean the toilet bowl. The following steps are effective when: the first, flush the toilet bowl to wet side of the bowl. Second, spray the chemical, leave to soak to wait for the chemical reaction. And also, we can continue with another work, such as scrub and wash the toilet bowl surfaces using a sponge that has been wet by the chemical, including the seat, water tank, toilet bowl cover, both side and near back the hinge. The fourth, scour bowl thoroughly using the toilet bowl brush. And the fifth, flush the toilet bowl a number of times to wash away the dirt and the residue. It is also important to ensure any chemicals are removed from the toilet surfaces, as this causes discomfort if coming in contact with the guest's skin. Clean the vanity area. Scrub the wash basin and the tap using the sponge that has been wet by the solution or the chemical. Rinse and dry the wash basin and the tap. Clean the mirror using the glasses sweeping technique. Clean the bathtub. Wet the bathtub including the wall. Scrub the bathtub area including the walls, shower, and the tap using the sponge that has been wet by the solution or the chemical. Third, rinse and dry the bathtub. Replenish guest supplies and amenities. Complete the bathroom setup such as set up the towel according the standard of the hotel. Set up the bathroom amenities like shampoo, conditioner, soap, dental kit, shaving and chewing kit, sanitary bag, and also the shower cap. Don't forget also about the tissues and the toilet papers. Clean the floors. Mop the entire floor with the fresh solution, while do the final check to make sure the bathroom clean, tidy, and attractive.
Well, student, that's how we clean up the bathroom area. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.